However, we still have tomorrow and Saturday to go. And tomorrow could especially be bad with the moderate risk of severe weather that we have. But let's talk about the remainder of this evening. I would not be surprised if this is canceled early because we just don't have a lot of activity in the area. But it's a tornado watch. It goes until 10 o'clock. But as we look at live Viper radar, not a lot going on. We do have a couple of showers over Cass County, but the main storm that affected Cass County earlier today has now moved up into Arkansas, and it's no longer a threat. We've had several warnings out of this storm, but it is not a severe thunderstorm anymore as it's moving up towards the Little Rock vicinity. Temperatures right now are in the 50s and 60s out to our west. That's thanks to a front that is just west of Tyler and to the west of Gilmer, and you can see along Interstate 30 we're much cooler with temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Dew points in the lower 70s, so quite a bit of Gulf moisture making its way into the region, and wind speeds not as strong of winds as what we've had the last couple of days. But tonight we'll fall to 71, a few storms around, some severe, especially before midnight. Tomorrow we get back to 84 with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. So here's Futurecast. We're going to start it out at midnight tonight. Between now and then, again, we do have that enhanced threat of severe weather, but I would not be surprised at all if we do see that severe weather threat diminish sooner rather than later. Tomorrow, on the other hand, is going to be a completely different story. While storm chances to our west will be minimal, out ahead of this front, I am very concerned with the possibility of some strong to severe thunderstorms. These storms, they're going to develop right along the front here, and places like Palestine, Jacksonville, Tyler, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant could be under the gun for some strong to severe thunderstorms, and we could see some locally heavy rain out in front of this front as well. This is 6 o'clock in the evening. Storms are going to continue until about 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening, and then the front itself, it's going to begin to retreat back off to the northwest, and that's going to set us up for another threat of severe weather on Saturday. But before we talk about that, it's fairly rare. We do have a level 4 moderate risk of severe weather. This includes areas like Quitman, Gilmer, Pittsburgh, Mount Pleasant, Dangerfield, Cass County, almost all of Marion County, while we do have an enhanced threat further off to the southwest, which includes Tyler and Longview. Now, as we go into Saturday, the front, as I mentioned before, it's retreating back off to the northwest, and then we will start to see more scattered showers and thunderstorms moving in. And again, out ahead of this front, we will see rapidly warming temperatures and some strong wind gusts. And as this front moves in, this will trigger a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, and some of these storms are likely to be strong to severe Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening, but eventually the front's going to move through, and that will keep us dry for Sunday and much cooler for Sunday as well. But Saturday, do not let your guard down, because we do have that severe weather threat from Mineola, Tyler, Palestine, Jacksonville pointing off to the southeast. The higher threat is for our eastern counties and into portions of Arkansas and Louisiana. So tomorrow and Saturday, I should say, both look nasty. Sunday, we will be dry, lots of sunshine around Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and more comfortable temperatures to deal with as well. Temperatures will be in the 60s and 70s. And as we look at Deep East Texas, more of the same. Severe weather alert for tomorrow, severe weather alert for Saturday, and then we will be drier, cooler, and much quieter Sunday. Isaac.